In this video, I'll show you how to buy Surfshark VPN in Pakistan for cheap and get started with secure, unrestricted browsing. Before we begin, let me say this. Surfshark is one of the fastest, most reliable, and affordable VPNs available. It works perfectly for streaming, gaming, and protecting your online privacy. You can use the link in the description to get Surfshark at a great price and follow along with this tutorial. First, click the link in the description, which will take you directly to the Surfshark homepage. On the top right corner, click the Get Surfshark button. Here, you'll see different pricing plans, monthly, yearly, or 2-year plans. Choose the one that fits your needs best and click Get Plan. Next, enter your email address to create your account. After that, select your preferred payment method. In Pakistan, you can pay using your bank debit or credit card, or you can use your JazzCash or EasyPaysa debit card information to complete the purchase. Enter your details carefully, and once done, click on Complete Purchase. And that's it! You've successfully bought Surfshark VPN in Pakistan. Now you can download the app on any device and enjoy fast, secure, and unrestricted internet access. Remember, Surfshark works across all devices and comes with advanced features like threat protection, multi-hop, and a strict no-logs policy. Use the link in the description to get Surfshark at a great price and start browsing safely today.